Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
Not Matt.
On today's Saturday of the Core series, we're exploring Sugarlands Shine's Hazelnut Rum. Don't you forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. Matt, I don't think I got all of the name right. What is the Sugarland?
All right, so we got this cute little mini bottle here. This is this little moonshine sucker in this little mason jar. Looks nice. But yeah, this is the Sugarland Shine's Mark and Digger's Hazelnut Rum. So from their Legend series, this was brought to us by my wife. Had a friend go to Gatlinburg this past weekend, and she brought this cute little thing back for us. As you guys know, you like to review some fun rum, so she went to the distiller there at Sugarland and brought this cute little thing back for us. So thank you, Benita. Really appreciate it. Hope you guys had a good time on your trip. All right, like I said, this is from the legendary Moonshiners, the Moonshiners show, of course, Mark and Digger on Discovery Channel. I'm going to check those guys out. They said it was great with chocolate sippin cream. They called it a moonslide. Great from the freezer, and it's really fun with a Coke. And that's what those guys said on their little YouTube thing there. So cool. And it's 80 and it's 40%. So it is, I do give my, this is, at least the proof is 80. So that's nice. All right, let's see what we think. Maybe see the history of Sugarland. Go check that out.
I've been pleasantly surprised with most of the Sugarland Shine's product that I've had.
Ooh, that is definitely some hazelnut.
Ooh, rum, yeah, it is.
Brown sugar.
It's like Nutella spread.
Yeah. Powdered sugar. Yeah, Nutella spread all day long.
Yeah, and it's almost a mix between Nutella spread and peanut butter. There's a peanut butter aspect in
there.
There
is, yeah.
And it's not like super prevalent. It's not like a screwball peanut butter whiskey, but it's just a note that's floating in the background.
I bet this with screwball is probably freaking awesome.
It probably does make for a really sweet and lovely little beverage.
I might do that here at the end of this for us because that sounds delicious.
To you.
I know where screwball. Yeah, screwball's right over there. I might have to do that for the people. I won't make Will do it because I'm not mean.
Oh, it does smell very sweet.
Yeah. It smells exactly like the way it should.
It kind of smells a bit balanced. It doesn't smell cloyingly sweet.
No, it smells really nice.
There might be a bitter component. There might be a tart component. There might be something else in there. Yeah, man. It also reminds me of those Nutter Butters, those cookies. Okay. It
reminds me of those as well.
I'm picking up and it's not heavy, but it's just like a wisp of smoke. It's a wisp of something dense in the background.
Smells good to me. All right, let's see how it tastes.
Whoa, not on the palate. Not on the palate. Oh my God.
It's super sweet. Hazelnut, it's caramel, toffee, chocolate, brown sugar.
Oh,
woo, that's sweet. That is some serious sugar.
That is Nutter Butter with like a cup and a half of sugar added.
Jeez. Yeah, like you took the Nutter Butter, dipped it in some, like you said, Nutella, put some sugar on top, and then drank it. I could see why this was probably good with that chocolate sippin cream, which we do have some of that. I had lots of these things. Like this distillery sends a ton of these things too back in the day, which we still need to review a ton of those. I think it sounds like 6 each or some shit.
Oh my God.
That is really. I am going to grab the screwball just because I want to see.
Oh my God, that is
make Will's dreams come true. If it really is Nutter Butter and Nutella combined,
it's layer upon layer of sugary sweetness.
And they even may make a sugar and peanut butter. I'm not sure. They probably do. I know Old Smoky does. But let's add some screwball because you guys know what screwball is. So.
Oh goodness. Okay. Well. You have fun with that.
I want to see what this tastes like for the people. All right. Just add a little bit of peanut butter there. That's a gross top that needs to be cleaned up. I haven't poured this in God knows how long. All right, let's see. Hazelnut rum and some screwball.
It sounds like a...
Smells exactly like you said. It'll be Nutter Butters and Nutella.
Sounds like a match made in 21-year-old heaven.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's good.
Oh, my.
Dude, this would sell at a college bar like no tomorrow.
Yeah, that shot would probably be like the shot of the weekend.
I mean, you are probably going to be hangover from hell because of all the sugar content of that. But if you want it to be delicious going down, done.
If you want to not taste the alcohol at all.
No, there's zero burn to this whatsoever. Don't even taste booze. That's the scary part. This is 40%. You don't even taste the booze in this at all.
No.
Like, no burn.
No.
It's delicious. I really, really like it a lot.
Yeah, it is completely masked by the sugar.
But I would thoroughly enjoy that. I would like to make some cocktails with it. I think they would be really tasty cocktails.
I have a feeling that would be a great component to a lot of other things.
Man, switch this out for Frangelico in like a toasted almond or something. Oh, dude, yes. Spectacular.
Or even in a old fashioned, switch this out for the simple syrup and just give it kind
that's
of
a good idea. I'd like to see what that tastes like.
Give a little bit of that nuttiness, a little bit of that hazelnut. It'd be a fun little addition to a lot of cocktails.
That's not a bad idea at all. Oh, those are gonna be fun thing. I might have to see if I can find a full size bottle of this.
Just for me, it would just need to be a small addition. It's very sweet.
Because these things are like 99 cents, $2 for these little things, but I think a full size bottle looks like $19.
Yeah, they're super affordable.
Yeah.
Yeah, and Sugarland has done a great job of keeping their prices very, very affordable through the years.
Yeah, them and Old Smoky both done a great job with it.
Yeah.
So, well, good job, guys. Sugarland Shine once again, great product.
Yeah,
not for Will, but I thoroughly enjoyed it.
I'm glad one of us did. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Click that notification bell. We're live every Monday night, deep diving into a whiskey topic. Come join the Patreon if you want to support us financially. And until next time, keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass. Cheers.
Cheers. That is truly spectacularly delicious.
I'm freezing up. I forgot what the fuck I'm
supposed to say. It's probably tell us that you should drink better liquids.
Yeah.
You should visit our channel and join the Patreon. Fun things like that.
Okay, here we go. I'm ready now.